Hi guys, it is Tanish and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a really quick video on how I do my head wraps. So I picked out a few wraps that I wear, and I'm going to show you really quickly a few of my go-to head wrap styles. I really haven't worn them. Actually, the last time that I wore a wrap is when I recorded my welcome back to YouTube video. So since I've had locks, my hair is always done. So it's really no need for me to wear a wrap. Whereas before I would wear a wrap whenever I was between styles or my hair just was not done. Really, honestly, that was the only time that I would wear a wrap. And if you guys notice that I am talking funny, it is because I have my retainers in. So I have a lisp for right now. My video got so chatty, so I'm gonna switch over to this voiceover. You guys want to start off by putting your hair into a ponytail. Next, you are going to grab your favorite head wrap. You're going to fold it in half and then in half again. And you are going to tie it into a knot. After making the knot, you are going to kind of open your head wrap up and make another knot. Continue fluffing and making knots. You are going to continue knotting the head wrap until you get to the ends, or you can no longer put any more knots in it. You want to add volume to the knots by going back and loosening them. And the last step is to tuck the loose ends inside of the wrap itself. So the second half of this video will be covering the same style but with all of your hair covered. Unfortunately, my baby woke up, so I did not get to record until about 2 weeks later. I am doing the same style except that I'm going to cover my whole entire head. And in my opinion, I feel like this style works better if your locks aren't as thick as mine, because the wrap ended up being extremely high and I don't like it sitting that high on my head. So anyhow, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this tutorial. If you do decide to do this style, let me know how it turned out in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.